In the happy town of Vroomville lived a bright red little car named Rio. Rio was friendly and loved racing on the tracks. He enjoyed the wind on his windows and the cheers of his car friends. But Rio had one problem: he wasn't fast. No matter how much he practiced, he always finished in the middle. He wished he could win a race just once. One sunny morning, Rio saw something shiny on the road. He rolled closer and found a tiny golden gear glowing like a star. When Rio touched it, the gear floated right into his engine. Whoa! Rio blinked. His engine began glowing with beautiful rainbow light. A tiny mechanic fairy appeared with a sparkling wrench. Rio, she said, you found the magic gear. Now you have a magic engine. But it works only when you believe in yourself. Rio wanted to try. The next day was the Great Vroomville race. Cars of all shapes and sizes lined up. Rio felt nervous. His friend Breezy honked. You can do it, Rio. The whistle blew. Zoom. All the cars raced forward. Rio fell behind again. He felt sad. Then he remembered the fairy's words. Believe in yourself. I can do this, Rio said. Suddenly his magic engine glowed brighter. Rio sped up. Not just fast, but super fast. He zoomed around corners, glided over bumps, and past many cars. The crowd cheered loudly. Near the end, only the fastest car, Thunderbolt, was ahead. Rio pushed one last time with all his confidence. Whoosh! Rio crossed the finish line first. The crowd shouted, Rio! 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 Rio smiled proudly as his friends surrounded him. The fairy appeared again. Rio, the real magic was inside you. From that day on, Rio never doubted himself again. And whenever he raced through Vroomville, his engine glowed softly. Not because he needed magic, but because he believed in himself.